Rob here from Media, and in this video we're going to go through the media library of WordPress, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about the media library in the back end of WordPress. The media library is where you'll be uploading your media files such as images and PDFs, etc. To access the media library from your dashboard, all we have to do is go to Media on the left. And as you can see, I've already got loads of stock images, I've got a logo down here in the bottom right, and I've also got a PDF document. So as I mentioned just a moment ago, you can upload loads of different types of media files, including images, PDFs, spreadsheets, audio files, and videos. When uploading these files, you should try and keep them as small as possible in terms of file size. We highly recommend you host your videos on third-party platforms such as YouTube and Vimeo. Videos in particular can be very large files that reduce page speed loading times and also put extra pressure on your website server. You can check out the course video for the video element to learn how to embed videos onto your web pages. You should also be cautious when uploading images. Upload them at dimensions you need them to be. For example, many computer screens are around 1920 by 1080 pixels, so your dimensions really shouldn't need to be any larger than this. When it comes to file size, however, try to keep them to kilobytes rather than megabytes, preferably around the 100 kilobyte mark. So with those warnings out of the way, let's look at some of the things we can do within the media library. So first of all, we've got our filter bar here. We can change to list view. We've got thumbnail view. We can filter by file types and also by date. If we want to delete images, all we have to do is click on the image, and down here in red we can see delete permanently. Bear in mind this will remove the image from all the pages that you're using it on. Close that. If you want to delete multiple images, you can bulk select. You can select the images you want to delete and then click delete permanently. If you've made a mistake, just click cancel and that will close bulk select. So let's now upload an image. So we can click new and this window pops up. We can click select files and go through our computer system and select the files we want to upload. Or we can have a separate window open and we can select the images we want and drag them in. So as you can see, my images are now in my media library. Now we'll look at some of the options we have when we click on an image in our library. So we can edit the image, we can crop it, rotate it, flip it. We can alter the dimensions and the aspect ratio, but I really recommend doing this before you upload them to the media library using software such as Photoshop. When you've finished editing your image or you want to back out of this, you can click cancel on the left here and we're taken back to this view. On the right here, we have some information about the image, including the name, the file size and dimensions. Below, we can change the alt text or the alternative text. This helps search engines understand what the image is about. You can change the title, which by default is the name of the file when you upload it. You can also add and change your caption and descriptions. You can watch our images element and gallery element videos later on in the course to see the styling options you have for captions and descriptions when designing your pages. Lastly, you have the file link. Sometimes you might have a button. For example, it might say download this document. When you create the button, again, there is a video for this. You can put this link in and it will take your visitor to the file where they can view it and also download it. That's it for the media library. Don't forget to keep your media files as small as possible, only upload images at the dimensions you need them to be, and use third-party video hosting platforms such as YouTube and Vimeo. This will reduce pressure on your server and also your page loading speeds. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.